Here's a great deal on a 2010 Jeep Wrangler. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, skid plates, and more. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.